Hi, Justin. Hi. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. I hope your schedule wasted and schedule wasted and I don't know what else to say. Say hi, Kylie.
Hi, Kristen. Thanks. I love my shoes. Happy birthday.
Just one time, me and my mom. Yeah. Our Medifast came. Yay! Shh, don't tell anyone. I love you. I miss you. Come home to me. Bye, boyfriend.